The Forum Network is a conversation between someone with expertise and an audience of curious listeners.
Younger people would be more likely to get a meme, but aren't younger people, don't they tend to be more progressive otherwise?
You discussed the need, particularly for more localized and democratically integrated economies. So I'm just curious why you shy away from discussing socialism as a viable.
I just want to say that this system is so deeply rooted that it's hard to dismantle.
On this program, we expand the conversation to include someone else with exceptional insight into the subject. Thus, the footnote. Here's an example of what you'll hear. First, the original lecture.
Back when most people punch clocks at fixed hours, a date might have asked, "Shall I pick you up at 6?" But part-timers, contractors, and other contingent workers, who constitute some 40% of the American workforce, are more inclined to text one another, "You still up?" than to make plans in advance.
And then, a response from our guest commentator.
You know, I think that everything about our lives right now, right, is more about convenience and about what we can actually pull off in our lives. So when you talk about the concept of on demand, that's something that dating apps set up for us to begin with. This idea that we shouldn't have to even leave our houses to look for possible partners.
On this episode, we'll revisit a 2018 Cambridge Forum talk called Romance in the Information Age. How does love work in an age of browsers and smartphones? Does technology change the way we show affection for one another? Does a text message really replace a handwritten letter? In our fast-paced, always changing world, how can we pinpoint what love is, or how we show it?